Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your passcode that you have set on the Honeydue Couples Financing app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Honeydue application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password or your login code. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the activity page, from which if you wish to change your PIN code that you have set up, then simply tap on the More option at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Settings, and now you will see various different options. From here, tap on Additional Security, and now you will find the Use Passcode option. If you wish to turn off the passcode, then you can tap on the toggle button and set it off. And if you wish to change it, tap on the Change Passcode button. You will now be asked to enter your current passcode. Go ahead and type in your current passcode, and now you will be asked to enter your desired new passcode. After typing in your new passcode, you will once again be asked to enter it within the confirmation box. After typing in your new password, it has now successfully been changed. And now, every time you leave the application and then come back to it, you will be asked to enter this passcode. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your passcode on the Honeydue application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.